Today we're presenting to you the most beautiful fifth wheel in the market is the Sabre fifth wheel by Forest River. Today we have a manufacturer rep, Zach, is from Forest Rivers. Welcome.
Yeah, it's great to be here. Excited.
Right, great. So as of today, we have the biggest January show in the state of California for a huge show with a major discount. As well, we have manufacturer rep, and one of the manufacturer rep today is Zach. He represents the Sabre product, um, and he want to go with us as with you to show you all the features and benefit and why you need to buy Sabre fifth wheels. One thing, I'm really impressed what you did for 2025 because you changed everything.
Everything.
You changed the outside, the inside, the cabinets. I mean, now one's walked to it. It's a high-end fifth wheels in a medium price budget where everybody could afford it. Show me what's the best features outside, and then we're gonna go inside and you show us the.
Absolutely. Thank you. First of all, molded fiberglass front cap. You can see the nice LED lights. This is going to show. This is going to show really, really nice and stand out at your campground wherever you're taking it and using it. It's going to look good. New for when we now have slam latch doors with magnetic catches, so you can operate these no problem. Putting your stuff where you need to put it, open and closing just like you need to. Also new for 2025, a few things we've done is we've added a second awning to every floor plan that we offer except for the FLL, but you have one awning here as you're pointing out, and then a secondary awning
with LED light. I see that.
With LED lights on the outside of the slide box. So you're going to get all usable space underneath there. Really, really nice feature to have.
This particular model comes with outdoor kitchen, the 36FLX. But what I really like about it, nobody give you a sink except them. I mean, it's just like everybody give you a outside fridge, outside grill, but they're forgetting the most important thing is the sink to wash your hands when you're cooking. So they give us a solid countertop, so I'm not worried about the water here, like some other brands. They use wood, and they have also a nice fridge, obviously for beer.
There you go. Yeah, with the propane quick connect underneath, so you still have it. And then we really try to put this in a place underneath the awning where you know how this is by itself, where now when your awning is opened up, your outside kitchen's underneath it.
Then I see here you have the latch for pets. You could tie your dog, or if you don't want to tie, you could just tie anything you want here. Now, I notice on the Sabre fifth wheels, they're always giving the 4-step, which is the competitor only give me 3-step. Why you do that?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we want to be easy to get in and out of. And a lot of times, depending on the level surface that you're on, if you have that 3-step, that first step can be a really big one and can be tough to get in and out of. So we like the 4 steps just to make it easy to get in and out of our product.
And then I see here's the second pole awning with the LED lights. And then you have the tire pressure safety sensor. What exactly is that?
So what that is, it's pretty simple, self-explanatory. It goes onto the valve stem of your tire. It's going to be green means your tire pressure is good to go. Nice. Yellow means, say, you might want to check it. Red means definitely get some air into it before you try and tow it. You might have a flat. So
it's amazing. Nice.
Yeah, straightforward.
And then in the back, I see you guys, you typically, another last shoe up in here.
Yep.
This particular model. You giving the bike rack receiver, so you could put a bike rack here if you want. A tray, a cargo tray. This is nice. It comes with the receivers in the back.
Yep, exactly
as
right.
Well, I see they give you the Leopard, the Therion, backup camera prep, and the Leopard expandable ladders. So everything's there for you. 50 amp power cord.
Yep.
Beautiful decals this year for the 2025. This particular floor plan, it has 4 slide outs, 3 on the driver's side and 1 on the passenger. Typical, Sabre, they give us the endless hot water heater. That's amazing. We have instant hot water right there. As well, we have the pass-through storage. I really like your docking station, Zach. Especially everything is right there, so I don't have to. Like some of them, they give you a hookup to the back, hook up to the centers. So it's amazing. Everything is in one spot. You get easy access, easy to get in. You have the cable, satellite, city water, black tank flush, antifreeze inlet for East Coast customers.
Love it.
And then I see here's the auto leveling. You just push the switch. It's a BNL. It's come with auto leveling. You just push auto mode. and the unit level itself.
That's
It's
exactly right.
amazing.
Now making it easy on me here.
Yeah,
Look at how well he knows the product. That's awesome.
Look, also they give you another hookup outside. They have a TV hookup right there, I see.
Yep.
In the other side. This is heated, so that means my stuff is not gonna freeze up inside the unit. It's a four-season coach, which is mean it have insulation in the roof, floor, the front, the back, as well enclosed underbelly, nothing exposed to the outside elements.
That's exactly right.
Yeah. Then we have gears. I like about it, they use easy to get to the propane tank, easy to carry. You have one on this side and one on the other side. And in the front, it's a nice feature they do is I see they putting the spare tire inside, which is a lot of them they put the spare outside to the elements and they put it underneath the unit, so you're getting all the cold, the weathers, the heat, all the stuff
That you don't want.
and you ruin your spare tire.
That's right.
They put it inside. Look, it's brand new, covered, nothing exposed. No sun is gonna heat it. As well, we have here the 30 amp solar controller, a battery disconnect switch, and the location for the two batteries. So when you're getting the unit from Best RV, it will have the two gift cycle battery in the front. Wow, it's amazing. Oh
Yeah.
my God, that's really it's all the new changes. You changed completely.
Yeah, we went. We totally threw out the old design and we stepped it up for the 2025 model year. So as you can see, we got away from just the browns and we've got some nice contrast here.
Yes.
But really in our cabinetry, we upgraded this year to the hidden hinges.
Yes,
right,
the
opening
European
and closing, nice and solid in the hidden hinges. As well as magnetic catches was new for 2025. So you're not going to be traveling down the road, get to where you're going, and then everything you had in that cabinet's on the ground because it opened up. That's not going to happen with this.
Then I noticed this year you guys went to a bigger microwave. It's actually convection microwave.
We did convection microwave. We have cast iron for the stovetop as well instead of that flimsy sheet metal with an oven. So we're offering you everything, not just one or the other.
Yes.
A lot of the
competition.
That's right. That's right. You could.
One thing I like what you did this year is you have a solid service with a nice prep area on the right, a nice prep area on the left. As well, you see these plugs, it has already part of the inverter prep. So if you decide to put an inverter, those one, I could make them live from the batteries. Could you tell me what you did extra here in the middle island?
Yeah, absolutely. So we like to show this, a convenient, easy to access place for your garbage can with as well some storage above here. That's been a big hit. We have our workstation sink, which is new for the 2025 model year. You have your wood cutting board, you have your waterfall, your stop for the sink to drain or fill it up if you wanted to, as well as a couple of different attachments to rinse food, rinse whatever you'd need to. And if you take everything out, you get your one deep dish. And thank you, I was going to forget this one. This is a big one to rinse your glass with.
I
right?
wish I have this in my house.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I could use it.
And then I noticed you have your pets friendly. What do you did for pets?
Yeah, absolutely. Right over to this side here, your pet pantry. There it is.
That's perfect for my cat.
There you go. Absolutely. As well as no carpet. So you'll notice looking through the entire unit, there's going to be no carpet, including on the slide floors, and we have no receptacle for the furnace. We don't have the rectangles on the ground that are going to get the hair into them or anything like that. The furnace ducts are picked off to the side in the sidewalls.
Now, I noticed on this dining table, you changed, like normally the dining table used to have the leg in the middles and tipping, and this time there's no legs, I noticed.
So we changed it up, and what we did, and the reason for that is nobody likes to be banging their knees into those legs directly underneath. So we mounted it to the wall here, and a little hidden feature that not everybody knows is if you look down below, we did actually build an outlet into the base there. Yep. So you can plug in things, chargers for your phones if you're sitting there. You can plug in a coffee maker, whatever, laptops. Yep, whatever you'd want to.
And then I still love those zebra shades that give you full. You could see the day, night, the daytime, and then you could use it, make it like a night, so it's for privacy. And then this year, I noticed you put a bigger theater seating. Yeah.
Wider theater seat, comfortable. Oh, thank you. We got to test them out, make sure they work.
Wow, where's my drink?
There you go.
I need my drink. And then I see here you have a nice place for remote controls, cup holders, and they have lights and heated. And what I like about this floor plan is it's two things. Me personally, I like it's the rear living where you have the big window in the back. I like the theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace, so I don't have to look in an angle way. And we could sit what 4, 5, 6, 6, 7 people here, and nobody bothering anybody behind the kitchen.
That's right.
And then I see you guys have put an LED light underneath the counter.
Yep, new accent lighting for 2025. We have that in the island, the bedroom. We have it in the trim where the wall meets the ceiling. Really pops. When you walk in, it's sharp.
And then I notice here you start giving the TV. Before it was no TV. This year we start seeing it come with a smart TV as well, the fireplace. But show me what's behind it.
Yeah, here you go. Check it out.
Whoa, I could stand if I want to. It's like here you could put up rooms that has the lights, shelves with lips, so it's not gonna jump.
Yep, place to hang coats. We actually did leave an open outlet as well. If you have cordless vacuums, things you'd want to charge and store back here, there is a way to plug in to power with this closed.
And it's finished. I like it. It's very clean, and it has a shock and a solid middle.
Yeah,
interesting.
Magnet that holds it. Travel lock here. This isn't going to open up traveling down the road. That's a big deal.
And then one thing to notice, everywhere you go in this Sabre 36, you will see a USB plugs everywhere. I see here's 110 on the side with USB, and then the other. So there's no issue for charging these cell phones or the iPad. Notice here is you give them a big refrigerator.
Yep, 16 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge, cools down quick with dual freezers. If you want to separate your ice cream from your hot dogs and hamburgers, you can do that easy.
Good. And then this particular floor plan, I love this barn doors. They give you a really nice solid barn doors. They give you a full separations between your bunk room and give them privacy at night. Mm-hmm. As well, we see here it comes. This is the mid bunk. I call it 36FLX, where you have reading light, a hide-a-bed sofa. So this is turned to a bed where sleep two people this way.
Yep.
Also, it's perfect. Like my kids, they love to play Xbox. You can put a TV, a Game Boy. Voila, start playing.
I think that's why this floor plan does as well as it does, because this can be a bunk room for sleeping. It can be a gaming room. It can be a work office. Yes. It's flexible. FLX, flex.
Yes, flex. Oh, this is neat. This is where I tie my shoes.
That's right.
Tie my shoes before I go outside. Or when I come in, I could take my shoes here so I don't drag the dirt inside the unit. Hang my coats, especially in the East Coast, they use it.
Oh, tell me about it, Sam. That's where I'm from. That's right. Yeah.
Nice. And this is a nice loft. Perfect to sleep two people. They have a 110 plug USB. The reason why they don't give you the mattress, because some people, they just use it as a storage. Some people, they use it single bunk. So you could put any foam mattress you want here, no problem. And it has plenty of room. It has even a vent of air condition over you, so to cool you off, no problem. And then we're going to the master suite. And this year you changed a lot. We did
change a lot. So
show me this is what I was waiting for.
Hideaway headboard.
Wow.
That's what we're calling it. Check that out.
You could put your jewelry, you could hide your money.
There you go. You can. You have an outlet over the top, USB, micro USB as well for plugging things in, leaving them up there. Yeah. Windows on both sides that do shades. Both open with shades, so you get a nice cross ventilation there, which is nice too as well.
And then also you could put a TV here. So the nice thing, they already give you the stickers where the TV go. It's already prepped. You could put an easy, good mount TV here. And then you have a nice drawers for socks, underwears, and so on. And look how deep this closet. I could stand in this closet with no problem. And then I see here, so you have it's already prepped for a stackable washer dryer. You can put the washer to the right and the dryers to the left. You still have plenty. I like this one. They don't waste the space. So you have a place to put your shoes or your folding jeans or shirts. It's a big, huge closet with a 3-door actually. It's amazing. You just slide this one.
Yep.
And then you slide the second.
Another one with it. And there you go. We put mirrors on everything. Make sure you look good.
Yeah, yeah, sure. This unit come with two AC. They're both ducted and they're both connected to each other. Each one has the thermostat. I could run both or one. Or if I'm just going at night, I could turn the one over here and have a straight dump for all the cold air come to you when you lay down in your bed. Or you could go through the duct. Coming down here, I want you to show me the extra closet you did in the bathroom.
Yeah, that's something we're excited about too. So we have a pull-out linen standard now in the floor plan. So as you can see, getting to your towels, the things you need to get to, just a lot easier for this model year, not reaching back and fishing for it.
I have the same problem when I go shower, it's always yelling, where's my towels?
That's right.
So I don't
That's
have to
exactly
yell
right.
anymore. There's
Yep.
porcelain
toilet, wood pocket door to close it off. It doesn't open up into the hallway. It stays out of the way and does separate the room. And you do have air conditioning and heat into every room, even with the doors closed. So you're going to stay comfortable.
Now, do you see how wide this shower? I mean, it's really big.
Yeah, it is. I like to show people. Yeah, I can sit down in it. There you go. You've got a seat that's usable. 5'11" with shoes on. I'm a little taller than that, and I don't get anywhere close to hit my head up top either. So
yes, and no issue with elbows and
no issue.
And you close this here, and no water going outside.
Yep.
Everything is inside, and the ladies they can sit and do their business if they want. I like they give you a solid medicine cabinet.
Yeah.
Not the flimsy plastic
And since
one.
you brought that up too, the nice thing with us is, yes, this is a solid wood cabinet, but what some manufacturers don't do is what's behind and what this cabinet's attached to is not solid wood. And ours is a solid wood core. So what these cabinet doors are getting screwed into is real wood.
Nice. It's amazing. You know what, Zach? I'm really excited about the 2025 Sabre products, and we're excited to have it here at Best RV. And again, the price. I mean, to buy this unit from other brands, you're gonna spend $79, $77, $76, and we have it here at Best RV for $59. It's like when I saw this, it's like, whoa, all this for $59. Is there something wrong? No, there's nothing wrong. It's loaded. It's everything you need on a nice, beautiful mid-bunk unit. It's on right here. It's ready to camp. Come to Best RV and grab this unit before they disappear, because they are on limited run, limited price, and we'd love to show you the Sabre product. Zach, thank you so much for coming from East Coast, especially coming from Indiana to Best RV. It's a big trip.
Oh, I love it.
We really appreciate your product. Keep the good work and keep sending us those units.